Don't feel left out. If you think you deserve a pay rise but aren't getting one, you're definitely not alone. Figures out today show wages growth is the slowest on record, setting off alarm bells at the Reserve Bank. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
On the street, they don't need to see the official statistics. Have you had a pay rise lately?
No.
No, I haven't.
Yes, slight one.
And those voices are backed by the numbers. The measure of Australia's wages growth is plumbing new record lows. Wages are growing just 2.1%, well below the traumatic post-GST slump, global financial crisis, and the slowest since records began almost 20 years ago. Wages growth in the big sectors of mining, construction, rental services, administration and professional services have barely kept pace with inflation. In fact, growth in every single industry is well below its 10-year average.
People's expectations, whether they're workers and union officials or companies and employers, are still reluctant to push for or to agree to the kind of wage demands that were regarded as normal in the past.
Employees are still insecure. Companies are facing more intense competition from foreign and domestic rivals, and the post-mining boom environment is generally weaker. It's also a problem for the government's revenue-raising efforts because fewer people are being pushed into higher tax brackets.
So it's making it harder for the government to return the budget to surplus as quickly as it would want.
And the Reserve Bank is now trying to trigger rather than tame inflation.
The Reserve Bank has taken these low wage numbers as a signal to say it can afford to cut interest rates, can afford to get the economy growing more strongly.
Expectations will need to change.
I'm a young person, so I don't really see it getting better for me.
Policymakers have some work to do. Philip Lasker, ABC News.